back again here, the same place that is Baina Beach. I am in the south of Goa and at Vasco. This is on the Baina Beach. I had done one more episode earlier. I'm doing this another episode. This is another shack here. Because Baina Beach, as you see, there is Fadte. Oh yeah, here he comes. He is the owner of this shack. Is the name of Carl's Cafe. So sir, can you tell me कि तुम्ही कसं काय start केलं? How did you start this? How are you a cook yourself? You are chef like you, I was told your wife is a chef. So are you also a chef? What it is?
काय झालं इकडे बायणामध्ये बायणा ही जास्ती पहिल्यांदा फेमस नव्हती.
Okay.
पुष्कळ क्रिमिनल ऍक्टिव्हिटीज हे ते होत होते आणि
हो.
एकदम बदनाम होते. मी लहानपणापासून इकडे माझा जन्मच इकडे झालेला आहे. आम्ही लहानपणी इकडे येतो.
Okay.
पहिल्यांदा इकडे लोक येत नव्हते कारण
Okay.
रेड लाईट एरिया होती म्हणून. आता रेड लाईट डेमोलिश करून आता कमीत कमी 20 वर्ष तरी झाले.
Wow.
आता स्लो बायणा बीच आम्हाला जे आमच्या गावी जात होते आम्ही गोव्यामध्ये आमचं जे गाव आहे तिकडे आम्ही जात होते तेव्हा आम्हाला बायणामध्ये राहतो असं सांगायला लोकांना आम्हाला लाज वाटायची. काय
Oh.
अख्ख्या गोव्यामध्ये माहिती आहे बायणा हे काय.
But the whole scene has changed now, and this Baina Beach is as beautiful as any beach in Maldives. And whoever visits Goa, I would always tell them, come to Vasco, come to South Goa, and come to this Baina Beach, because there are these two shacks which are running right now, who are into good cuisine, out of which it is Mr. Carl's Cafe, which is again another exclusive Goan cuisine. Because when you come to Goa, I would tell every tourist, everybody, you have to taste a Goan cuisine, not the local, regular North Indian food or even the street food. You should follow the Goan poi, cutlet, paos and all those things, because that is the beauty of actually visiting to this tourism kind of a state which we have with these beautiful beaches. So Mr. Kalidas, what is the cuisine that you are going to show us today? What is the recipe?
आम्ही तसं गोवन म्हणजे प्रॉन्स करी सुंगटाची कढी.
Okay.
ती प्रॉन्स करी म्हटलं गोव्यासारखी फेमस.
Okay.
मेन ते आम्ही नाल बिल यूज करून ती
Okay. We call it human like.
उमण त्याचे कसले उमण आम्ही नाल काढून करून
Okay.
वापरायला त्याला की फंडी बिंडी
Ah.
मारून तिथून आणि सारखे टेस्टी जातात.
So what are you?
ट्रेडिशन
So what are you going to show me today?
चिकन आणि कसले आय एम गोइंग टू शो चिकन
Chicken what?
शाकुती
Shaguti. Okay. Chicken shaguti is the recipe today. Now this is again, it's like in Malwan Konkan we call it chicken saguti. Saguti is called a curry. But see, coastal to coastal and belt to belt, the sagutis or the curries differ, because Goan chicken saguti has got a very different kind of flavor. Those same hard spices, but the leveling of those spices in a very different way. So guys, let's check out. I'm going to meet his wife inside, who is the chef. She's running the kitchen here, and we'll find out what are the secret spices that they use in the chicken saguti. Come on, let's go. Sir, please. So I'm back here in the kitchen of Mr. Kalidas, and I have his wife. She's a cook, she's a chef, and she's going to show us the cuisine of saguti chicken that is going to be made. Her name is Kritika Kalidas Fadte. So ma'am, मला सांगा तुम्ही आज काय सागुती कशी बनवणार आहात? चिकनची बनवणार आहात ना? बरं, मला आयटम सांगा काय काय टाकणार.
चिकन त्याला मीठ लावून घेतलंय.
ओके.
4 बटाट्याची फोडी घातली.
अच्छा, बटाटा असतो का सागुतीमध्ये? ओके. So the chicken has been cleaned and washed. त्याला काय लिंबू अप्लाय केले?
मीठ लावलं.
Okay, only salt has been applied to it, and there are these few pieces of potato. Then this is grated coconut, coriander leaves. हे काय आहे?
कोरिएंडर लीव्स.
अच्छा, हे पण coriander leaves आहे.
हे ग्रीन मसाला करता आहे आणि भाजणार.
Okay. So I think so this green chilies, garlic and ginger, and this coconut and this coriander. This all will be grinded into a paste, and this thing roast and paste. Okay. And any other spices apart from them?
हा गरम मसाला आहे.
This is-
सागुती मसाला.
Okay. Now this is this.
घरी बनवले.
Okay, this is homemade saguti masala. Wow. Yes. The aroma of this spice is so beautiful. Can you tell me what is in there? Because this is very different from those Malwani masalas that we use on the Konkan belt. तर सांगू शकाल याच्यात काय काय आहे?
याच्यामध्ये आमची गोवन मिरची आहे, तांबडी मिरची.
तांबडी
Button
मिरची
मिरची.
इज व्हॉट? अच्छा, बटन चिलीज. ओके, इट हॅज गॉट बटन चिलीज,
हळदी,
टर्मरिक,
कोथिंबीर,
कोथिंबीर, धना पावडर की?
नाही धणे
ओके, धणे. ओके, कॉरिएंडर सीड्स,
आणि अख्खा खडा मसाला आहे.
सगळा टोटल.
टोटल खडा मसाला आहे.
पण त्याचं माप असणार काय?
हो,
त्याचं
माप
मेजरमेंट
असते.
लाईक कसं काय माप असतं? म्हणजे
म्हणजे
मला याच्यामध्ये वेलची,
लवंग, तिखी,
हा.
दालचिनी.
वेलची, लवंग, जावित्रीचा पण वास येतो.
जायफळ.
ब्युटी. ओके, अँड नटमेग, fennel seeds, all these, and look, it is not red in color. I think because she has not, this masala is not grinded with red chilies. It is grinded with those the other button chilies are brown in color. That is the reason. See, the masala is Goan chili. They call it Goan chili. And this saguti masala is homemade. Whereas if you come in Goa anytime, there are other shops also which cater to these masalas. There are people who sell these masalas, which I would always advise people. They can actually pack it and take it back home, and they can make the same chicken saguti when they are not in Goa. So you'll always get the feel of Goa. So, ma'am, let's start. What's the process now? How we'll start?
आता आम्ही पेस्ट करून घेऊ.
Okay, you don't need to fry this.
हे मग पहिल्यांदा याची ग्रीन पेस्ट,
Okay, green paste कशा कशाची आहे? Coriander.
कोरिअँडर,
Okay, green chilies.
आलं,
Okay, ginger, garlic.
याची पेस्ट करून घेऊ.
Okay. Wow. So we'll go in for the paste now.
पुरी गरम.
हाँ, कट करो. से stop मारो. So we are back here. Look, this green paste has been grinded properly. They made it in a liquidy syrup of that onion, coriander, ginger, garlic. That's it. And now आपण आता याचं काय करणार? Okay, now she'll marinate it in the chicken and potatoes together in this paste. Generally we make a thick paste, but for this they have to make a little syrupy paste. There. Now किती वेळ आपण मॅरिनेशन ठेवतो हे?
एक अर्धा तास.
Okay, now this will let it go for another half an hour. In the meantime, what we are going to do is we are going to roast this. Okay, this onion, coriander, green chili, and grated coconut. Come, we'll roast it. हे रोस्टिंग तेवढं फुल करपेपर्यंत करायचं की? ओके, नाउ इन विल गो अबाउट 2 teaspoons of oil for it. We're trying to heat the vessel properly so the roasting is done nice.
खोबरेल तेल आहे.
Okay, now this is a coconut oil. This coconut oil has been put in about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, in which all these ingredients will get roasted properly. Onions are going in first. यामध्ये ginger and garlic पण आहे. Ginger, garlic and onion. Okay, and green chili. And these green chilies are not the spicy ones. These are those normal green chilies which give the flavors. इधर से आइए. The onion and garlic is getting nicely roasted and grilled in the pan. As you can see, the aroma of that garlic, as it is roasted in the coconut oil, garlic anytime gives a very beautiful aroma. We will roast it till it becomes a little brownish in color. आता काय करणार आपण? आता ह्याच्यातच आपण कोकोनट टाकायचं आहे. ओके. When this nicely, look at trying to roast it nicely in that coconut oil. Now in that same pan we will add this grated coconut. This coarse grated coconut, we will roast it till it becomes a little brownish in color. Because if it is roasted over, मग त्याला कडवटपणा येईल ना जास्ती हे केला तर या, and it might taste a little bit of sour in taste then. Stop. Okay. Now again, herein goes the coconut oil again, about 3 tablespoons. Chopped onions and chopped tomatoes. We'll saute it a bit. Okay. After sauteing, then we'll put in the marinated chicken that we had kept aside. A pinch of salt has been added. चिकनला पण मीठ लावलंय ना?
पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट का घातलं म्हणजे कांद्याला मग पाणी सुटते
ओके ओके.
नाहीतर करपत.
Okay. The aroma of that sauteed onions and tomatoes is really a nice aroma. It's giving crispy aroma. आता आपण चिकन टाकूया. Okay. Now in will go the marinated chicken pieces and the marinated potatoes also with that. The rest of the garlic and chili paste that was added has been also added into it now.
भिजवायला ठेव.
Okay. Now what she'll do is she has added a little bit of water to it. So the chicken will start to cook in its own water that it will release, and also a little bit of extra water that has been added. So it does not stick to the pan below. There, now we'll keep it for at least 15 minutes so the chicken gets cooked. So I'm back here on this table. It's a nice night time and this is my dinner today. There's poi here, chicken sagoti here, and I have Farte family here. I'm so thankful to Mrs. Farte for actually cooking this. And मी खरोखर हे अप्रिशिएट करतो तो तुमचा जो मसाला आहे त्याचा जो फ्रॅग्रन्स आहे तो बनवलाय तो इथपर्यंत येतोय. Means I would say that the Saguti masala that has been home cooked by her or made by her is absolutely so aromatic that I just cannot wait to eat the food. And thank you to you. And I would wish people also come here to this Baina beach and visit this Carl's Cafe for this exclusive Goan cuisine. There are lots of other cuisines in fish and all, but today they had specially made a dinner for me, and which I have today is the poi with me and the chicken saguti. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to taste a bit of this chicken saguti. You can see the gravy. आइए ना आगे. Here. You can see this a thick gravy from that marination, and I'm going to taste this and I'm going to tell them how the taste is. I am absolutely sure this taste is going to be fine. I'm taking a bit of this chicken piece and this poi. You can see this. Ultimate man. Superb. या सागुतीच्या ग्रेव्हीला काही तोड नाही. All the paste that has been grinded, the saguti masala, the chicken has absorbed everything, the whole flavors in it, and as you can see, the color is brown. It is not red chilies. The Goan chilies, the button chilies which are used in this, and this local bread which we use, that is called poi, is giving a fantastic taste. So in the meantime, while I finish this dinner, we will meet again for another episode in another maybe place somewhere in Goa again. Till then, see you and bye-bye. Good night.
Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar. Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar.